Hi, this is Justine. Let's open day number 16 of the Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. What could it be? Dies. Wonderful. Okay, based on the glue dot, it's going to take off that number, so sorry, I won't be able to tell you the product number for this one. U. Let's see what's inside. So far I see U. Does it say thank you? For you. Nice. Okay, for you. I'm going to put it backwards so you can see the font. I am a font person and I would want to see the font if I was watching this video. Anyway, so we have for you. It's a very pretty bold stamp. Not stamp. A pretty bold die font. And it has a background die, which is always kind of fun. I love using background dies for die letters when it's black and white. I think it looks just really stunning when it's a black background with the white letters or white letters with a black background. To me, it just looks kind of classic and it pops. So there's that. I don't know the product number for this. I would assume it's S1 something 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 W16 because it is the 16th day of the kit or advent calendar, I suppose. Maybe I can kind of see. It might be 106 for those middle numbers, but again, I'm not sure. But anyway, we will see. Maybe on the Spellbinders website, I don't know, but there's day number 16 and here's day number 17 for tomorrow's video. We'll see what's inside. I am just kind of surprised because everything that I've gotten so far in every door I could use. It's kind of rare, I guess, but I shouldn't be that surprised because I do like Spellbinders styles and I like what they create, so I really shouldn't be that surprised. But I think if I were to have an advent calendar, if you were to ask me, I guess, when I first started this, will I like everything? I might say maybe 90% of it. Maybe there's 10% that I wouldn't use, but really, truly, everything so far I would use on some project. So we will see what lies ahead. We have a 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24 is my last day. So we're getting closer to the end, which means we're getting closer to Christmas. So hooray. And if you are interested, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch me open the rest of the days. Anyway, thanks for watching day number 16. Bye.